My name is Chen White, and I play in the band.
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 I play in the band. I play in the band.
I play in the band.
Oh my God, look up there, what is that? I'm tripping at that. Everybody around me got to looking up like I really had to seen something, you heard me? I have officially made my transfigurement into reputations on the line, reputations on the line. It was Kevin Gates, but you are officially rocking with Gates women. Who you want Gates? Say, watch me go for mine, go for mine, go for mine. Reputations
uncoordinated according to the accordion. Player with the tight squeeze, compressing the keys, making the mics, making the uncoordinated according to the accordion. Player with the tight squeeze, compressing the keys, making the mic scream. BBC jeans, what you mean? You know ice cream. This the theme for this evening. Please give me a reason, but hold up, never mind. For every fly that is I, someone else should never find. Anyone else should never try. I'm the guy, try to bolt me to the floor. I came from under that. Vibrant colors, street related, dying over violent colors, striving to be better than I used to be. Usually I speak the truth, but fools have been confusing me. Food for my platoon to eat, enthused with opportunity. Put that on my soon-to-be, symbolizing unity. Breadwinners Association built this off influencing niggas with figures to come together. You know, you and me, him and her, matching Beamer coupes that say his and hers. Self-respect, break apart that image when it isn't yours.
Hi, my name is Erica Johnson. I'm in the 8th grade and I've been in the band for 2.5 years. At first, I did not know how to play music. I didn't know how to play an instrument, but when I got involved with band camp and the friends, I started to love music and hanging with my friends, so now I'm not going to get out.
Keisha Kinsey, I'm in the 9th grade, and I've been in band for 4 years. I didn't know how to play at first, but once I heard my friends talking about how cool it was and I experienced it for myself, I decided to stay in band.
Lawrence Como, I'm in 11th grade, just going on my 6th year of being in Downsville High School band. I play tenor drum. Really, when I first got to the school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I started off on the horn, but then found my way on drums, and that's what I've been ever since.
My name is Denzel Miles. I'm in the 12th grade. I've been in band 6 years. When I got to Downsville High School, I was really a sports head. I played football, I played basketball, I played all that. And then I used to go to football games, just sit by the band and watch the cymbals, and that's what made me want to join band.
Reputations on the line, reputations on the line, reputations on the line, reputations on the line. Watch me go for mine. Say, watch me go for mine, go for mine, go for mine. Reputations on the line.